It's a harsh truth to face, but the reality is that your brain may not be as healthy as you think. Maybe you've felt it in your daily life. The moments when your thoughts feel scattered, when your memory seems to fail you, or when stress and anxiety take over. In the hustle and bustle of modern life, your brain can become damaged in ways that aren't immediately noticeable but, over time, add up. Whether it's stress, poor sleep, bad diet, or simply the overwhelming nature of constant multitasking, your brain bears the weight of it all. But here's the good news: you can fix it. Yes, your brain has an incredible ability to heal and improve, but only if you make a conscious effort to repair it. The steps you take now can have lasting effects, so let's dive into how you can begin to restore your brain's health. The first step in understanding how to fix your brain is realizing what might have caused the damage in the first place. The modern world, though full of conveniences, comes with a heavy price for your brain. Chronic stress is one of the biggest culprits. When you are under stress, your body produces cortisol, the stress hormone, which in excess can shrink the hippocampus, the part of the brain that controls memory and emotional regulation. Over time, this chronic flood of cortisol can lead to cognitive impairments, anxiety, and even depression. In fact, high levels of stress can alter your brain structure, affecting your ability to learn, remember, and make decisions. Then there's sleep, or the lack thereof. If you aren't sleeping well, your brain is not getting the opportunity to repair and regenerate. During sleep, your brain consolidates memories, removes toxins, and forms new neural connections. Sleep deprivation can impair these processes, leading to poor cognitive function, difficulty with concentration, and even emotional instability. If you've ever had trouble remembering something after a night of bad sleep, you've experienced the direct impact of insufficient rest on your brain. Studies have also shown that long-term sleep deprivation can even reduce brain volume, particularly in the areas associated with learning and memory. Another significant factor is your diet. The food you eat is fuel for your brain. A diet full of processed foods, refined sugars, and unhealthy fats can lead to inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain, which can impair cognitive function over time. On the other hand, a brain-healthy diet rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and essential nutrients can not only protect your brain from damage but also promote healing. Nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, found in foods like salmon and walnuts, and antioxidants, found in fruits and vegetables, are especially important for maintaining brain health. A sedentary lifestyle also contributes to brain deterioration. If you aren't moving, you aren't stimulating the blood flow to your brain. Regular physical activity is one of the best things you can do to enhance brain function. Exercise increases blood flow, encourages the growth of new brain cells, and promotes overall mental clarity. If you're not exercising, your brain isn't getting the oxygen and nutrients it needs to thrive. Additionally, physical activity has been shown to reduce inflammation in the brain, which can help prevent or slow down cognitive decline. Multitasking and overstimulation are also killers of brain health. The constant need to juggle multiple tasks at once, whether it's responding to emails, managing social media, or trying to focus on work, creates a barrage of distractions that your brain simply cannot process efficiently. This overstimulation leads to mental fatigue and decreases your cognitive abilities. Studies have found that multitasking actually reduces productivity and can negatively impact your IQ. Your brain doesn't have the capacity to focus on many things at once, and constantly switching tasks can lead to cognitive overload. However, there is hope. You can start repairing your brain today, and the first step in fixing your brain is to manage stress. Stress is an inevitable part of life, but it doesn't have to control you. Engaging in mindfulness meditation is one of the most effective ways to reduce stress and promote brain health. Meditation encourages you to focus on your breath and be present in the moment, which can reduce the levels of cortisol in your body. Research has shown that regular meditation not only lowers stress but also helps to grow new neural connections in the brain, particularly in areas associated with emotional regulation and decision-making. Deep breathing exercises can also be beneficial, as they help to activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which calms the body and mind. Sleep is another critical element. Your brain can only repair itself if you give it the opportunity to rest. Aiming for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night is essential for brain health. To improve your sleep, create a regular bedtime routine, avoid screen time before bed, and make your sleeping environment as dark and quiet as possible. If you have trouble falling asleep, try relaxation techniques like progressive muscle relaxation or listening to calming music. By prioritizing sleep, you give your brain the time it needs to recover and regenerate. Next, focus on your diet. Your brain is like any other part of your body. It needs the right fuel to function properly. Eating a diet rich in nutrients that support brain health is essential for healing. Incorporate more omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and whole foods into your meals. You can find omega-3s in foods like salmon, chia seeds, and flax seeds, while antioxidants are abundant in berries, dark chocolate, and leafy green vegetables. A diet high in fiber, vitamins, and healthy fats not only reduces inflammation in the brain, but also helps protect against cognitive decline and memory loss. Physical activity is another crucial aspect of repairing your brain. Even if you don't have time for a long workout, simply moving your body for 30 minutes a few times a week can have profound effects on your brain health. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain, stimulates the production of new brain cells, and improves cognitive function. Activities like walking, cycling, swimming, or even yoga can help keep your brain sharp and improve overall mental clarity. One of the most powerful tools you have to heal your brain is limiting distractions and overstimulation. In today's world, it's easy to get caught up in the constant barrage of notifications, emails, and social media updates. But you can improve your brain health by focusing on one task at a time. Try setting aside specific blocks of time for uninterrupted work or relaxation, and create an environment that promotes focus. By reducing distractions and practicing single tasking, you can boost your brain's ability to concentrate and perform at its best. Another important strategy for improving brain health is engaging in cognitive exercises. Just like your body needs exercise, your brain does too. Mental stimulation through activities like puzzles, games, learning a new language, or reading books helps improve memory, problem-solving skills, and cognitive flexibility. The more you challenge your brain, the more it grows and adapts, keeping it sharp and agile. Lastly, emotional well-being plays a huge role in brain health. The way you handle your emotions directly impacts your cognitive function. Building strong, supportive relationships and practicing emotional regulation can improve your overall mental health. Engaging in activities that promote happiness and contentment, like expressing gratitude or spending time with loved ones, can have a profound impact on your brain. By addressing the root causes of brain damage, stress, sleep deprivation, poor diet, lack of exercise, and overstimulation, you can begin the process of healing your brain. It won't happen overnight, but with patience, consistency, and the right mindset, you can repair and rebuild your brain to its full potential. So take the first step today. Your brain will thank you.